So hello guys, welcome to Coding Blocks. We'll talk about REST APIs today. The things we need of REST API properties that are used in system design. So we'll look at them today. Cool. So basically, why this REST API concept came in the design? What properties of APIs or REST APIs do we need in system design? So for as we discussed that should be effective communication between different modules or components. So there was a framework requirement. So what REST API provides us is the effective communication. So this is the important thing. And certain things were required as well, that it should be language neutral. No specific language dependency should be there for communication. It should be fast, it should be light, it should be fast. And over means over across it should maintain consistency and enable communication across different networks, you know. So this was required. That is why REST APIs came into picture. So this REST framework gives us all these things, gives us all these things. Cool guys. So this was all about how it came into picture. Now let's dig deep into it a bit more. So basically, REST stands for representation state transfer. Representation state transfer. Cool. Now API is the application programming interface. Cool means the set of protocols for building apps. For example, if we have to go from A to B, we need to cross the traffic jam, and the traffic jam, or we need to means follow certain traffic rules. So likewise here also we need to follow certain rules for building the apps. So these are for the REST APIs. Another quick example on the working is, I'll just draw a simple diagram. For example, there is a rate COVID start facility. For example, this is built using machine learning by some company A. Cool. And there's a hospital who has a website, or sorry, who has a web app. Cool. So this web app will take this, wants to present this on his this hospital. X wants to showcase all of this content on his web app. So to do that, he has to use a REST API. Cool. So if this is a client, this is the API, and this is the DB. So if REST API will return JSON or XML data to us. Cool. So I hope you have understood what REST API was and how it is used. So now let's look at some of the advantages. So there are moreover three advantages. First, it is simple to use. Second, it is scalable. And the third is it is reliable. So these three are the important things that REST API has advantages. So you need to know them, and you need to know them before appearing before an interview. So thank you all. We'll meet you in the next class.